Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for hanging out with me today on a very special video with another collaboration with the Glitter Girls. I am so happy to be a part of this collaboration, and in today's video I will be using my clear jelly stamping tips and my iMethod Beauty top and base coat, as well as my new Modelones cream gels to create this All About Bling look. I hope you all are doing well, and let's get into the video. So I've already prepped these tips with the base, cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with this beautiful green cream gel, and I'm covering the whole nail with this color. And then I'm going to get this beautiful yellow and cover the other nail all yellow. And for the other three nails, I will be doing ombre designs. I have been loving these cream gels and I can't wait to use them on my actual nails. I want to do a French tip with this green like I'm doing right here on my nails for my next set. I think this is so cute and it's the perfect color. I'm loving this. So I wanted to keep the set super bright, so I'm going to keep with the theme of yellow and green. And like I said, I wanted to create 3 different ombre looks with these next 3 nails.
Have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try.
I'm loving this uber chic gel brush that I picked up from What's Up Nails. It is perfect to apply these cream gels with. It blends everything perfectly, and I love the aesthetic vibe it has with the diamonds on it and the pink. I really like it. Alright, so here is the base design for all of the nails. I'm loving the middle one and those 2 ombres. So now I want to spice them up a little bit and pull out some chrome powders. I'm going to pick a green, a pearl, and a yellow chrome powder to go over these nails and give them a little holographic vibe. Alright, so I'm taking iMethod Beauty's green chrome powder first and applying that to the first nail, and I am loving the effect. It turned this pastel mint green to a chrome green nail. It is chrome, and I'm going to repeat this process to all the rest of the nails. I am loving this holographic chrome powder. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And right here I am taking a pearl powder and I'm going right in the middle of this, and I'm going to take the green again and swipe down the side and then just a little bit down the middle, leaving a highlight of the regular green sticking through. I love that look, the last ombre nail. Alright, so this is what the nails look like after the chrome powder is applied. Like I said, I'm loving those 2 ombre nails at the end. Those are really cool to me. So now we are going to be adding some water decals, and I thought about not including this, but I'm just going to anyway. On my trial and errors with these water decals, I made a silly mistake by not letting the water decals fully dry before applying to the nail. So as you can see here, I'm taking the cosmetic sponge to wipe up the excess water, but it just wasn't working and quite frankly ruined my base coat that I applied down before putting the water decals. So yeah, everyone, that did not work for me at all one bit. Instead, they just stuck to the cosmetic sponge because they were just too wet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my blinged out bows and these cute rhinestone diamonds. So this was a tricky part as well. I applied a base coat and I tried sticking the bows and the rhinestones on that before curing, but they were slipping around quite a bit. So I found in the very end to put your rhinestones on and then cure, and they totally stick. So yeah, I have a lot of trial and errors with this video, you guys, but that's the whole point in nail art and doing your own nails at home. It's just the beauty of trial and error and seeing what works and what doesn't, and also having awesome nail friends to learn from. I love everybody who's in this collab with me. They are so talented and innovative, beyond creative. So please go ahead and check out these girls. I will link the playlist in the comments below. Alright, so this is what the nails look like after they are fully cured with a top coat. I actually ended up getting a few water decals on there and them sticking. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today on another Glitter Girls collab. This one was all about bling. I hope you all enjoyed my set, and like I said, please go ahead and check out the wonderful, beautiful girls that are in this collab with me. I have linked that playlist down below. Let me know what you all think of this green and yellow blinged out set. I am loving the two ombre nails on the side at the end. Please let me know what you guys think and what your favorite nail is in the comments below. Also, please give me some more advice on water decals because I need it. Alright, you all, here are some beautiful designs from the girls. Like I said, please go ahead and check them out. This collab is all about bling and glitter. Have a beautiful Friday and an awesome weekend. Thank you all for joining me on this Glitter Girls collab, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Have a safe weekend. Bye, everyone.